We're trying to figure out how many oranges must be removed from the box so that 70% of the pieces of fruit in the box will be apples. So let's let x equal the number of pieces of fruit, fruit after removal, after oranges have been removed. Well, we know that 70% of this has to be apples, and number of apples is 14. So now this is x equal 14 divided by 0.7. And 14 divided by 0.7, that's going to give you 20. Well, how many pieces of fruit do I have? I have 14 and 23. That's a total of 37. Minus 20 is 17. So 17 oranges. Is that right? 17 oranges will be removed.